I started self-publishing about 9 years ago. I published over 1,500 books and made over $4 million in royalties from Amazon KDP. And these are 4 advanced strategies I wish I knew earlier. Many self-publishers are frustrated. They've invested time and money, created great books, but the passive income isn't what they hope for. They might feel like the market is too crowded or that the algorithm is against them. But here's the truth. Successful self-publishers aren't simply focusing on publishing more. They are focused on publishing books the right way. Ever wondered how some books tend to blow up overnight while others just go unnoticed? The difference between a successful book and one that sits on a shelf comes down to one simple factor, and that is traffic. Most self-publishers rely on Amazon's ecosystem, which is an extremely powerful way, by the way. But what if you could funnel traffic from outside of Amazon? So take the self-published book, How to Be Your Own Bodyguard. It wasn't because of Amazon ads or SEO that I bought it. It was because of one single YouTube video. So this kind of brand building brings in traffic that Amazon's algorithm won't. Here are some extra steps you can take to increase your outside traffic to your book. Number 1, build a presence on social media. Look at which social media channels other brands in your niche are using most successfully and start on those. Number 2, create content online that educates or entertains and add subtle links back to your book. And number 3, build an email list and nurture that audience long term, whether through an autoresponder or by sending out emails about new books or content. When I launch a new book under my main brand, the orange bestseller badge is almost guaranteed at launch because of the outside traffic I'm able to drive to my books. Let's move on to the next advanced strategy for increasing the passive income for your books. So Amazon KDP is flooded with books that all feel the same. If your book just blends in, it will get buried. You don't want to compete with copycats. Instead, you want to be the first with a unique angle. When you create something that's uniquely different and you do it well, copycats will struggle to keep up. So your goal should be to carve out a space where readers come to you because no one can offer what you do. So Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss, he didn't just try to make another business book about negotiation. He took a stance that compromise is not the way to go in high stakes negotiations. That, in combination with the author being a former FBI hostage negotiator, made the book stand out. So here are some extra steps you can take to stand out. Number 1, research your niche and find gaps that other books aren't filling. 2, be unique with your book and content or approach and create something that the readers can't find elsewhere. And number 3, create a brand around your uniqueness so that readers associate your books with that angle. Let's move on to the third strategy that could be easier to implement than you might think, but that is often neglected. If you're running Amazon ads without a solid strategy, you're probably wasting money. Many self-publishers, they throw money at ads, but they don't take the time to learn how to create them optimally or how to optimize them for the desired outcome. As a result, they either burn through their budget and see little return, or they don't get their ads to take off in the first place. Because of the volume of books I have, I estimate that I have wasted hundreds of thousands, if not over $1 million on lost opportunities and unnecessary cost, starting and running my ads in a less than optimal way. So step number 1 here is to learn how to run Amazon ads optimally. And step number 2 is to implement what you've learned. So see that it works. And if you have more than 20 books, I would move on to step number 3, which is to hire a virtual assistant to manage the ads for you. So simply transfer your knowledge to them through screen share videos or standard operating procedures. This way, the income is generated without much of your involvement. Moving on to strategy number 4, with your ads optimized, your sales growing, The next step is to solidify your place at the top. There is a strategy that will help you not only make some quick money, but that can also help you generate passive income for years to come. It's easy to blend in on Amazon KDP by putting out decent book after decent book, but usually that doesn't lead to a hit or long-term success. Instead of aiming for simply good enough, aim to be the best in your niche. When your book is of high quality, both in terms of the content and the presentation, you position yourself in a league of your own. Competing against mediocrity is no longer a problem when your book is head and shoulders above the rest. Think of the top books in any category. They don't usually sell just because they're relevant. They usually sell well because they are the best option for the reader. You want to give the readers an experience that they can't find anywhere else, whether that is through insightful content, beautiful design, or a unique approach. Here are some steps you can take to be the best. Number 1, figure out exactly what the readers want. And if you want to go really advanced, then aim to deliver something that they haven't really figured out themselves that they want yet, or they can't clearly express it yet. Number 2, study other books in the niche. What can you learn from them? Being the best doesn't necessarily mean creating something revolutionary. For example, if you look at iPhones, Apple simply started making small improvements with each new release, and over time, that difference is night and day when you compare it, for example, with iPhone 3 compared to iPhone 16. 3, whether it's through feedback or self-education, always improve. The books I published years ago can't compare to the books I publish today because I'm able to see much more than before, and that is because of analyzing what works and what doesn't, and investing in myself. When you're the best, readers will seek you out. They'll talk about your book, recommend them, and they keep coming back for more because they know that they can't get the same value elsewhere. So this is what transforms a good KDP business into a long-term passive income powerhouse. Think of books like Think and Grow Rich and Rich Dad Poor Dad, both of which were published decades ago. Last time I checked, these books had a bestseller rank below 400. These books aren't selling so well because they contain certain high volume keywords in the title that people are typing in. No, they are selling because they are applying several of the advanced strategies that we discussed in this video. And the good news is that once you apply them, it will feed into your more basic strategies. Just like when I search for rich, both Think and Grow Rich and Rich Dad Poor Dad shows up on the first page. So don't get me wrong, you absolutely want to use keywords in your title, especially if you're just starting out. But as mentioned, these are advanced strategies, so the purpose of this video has not been to cover the base. However, covering the base is not a bad idea, which is why I advise you to watch this video next, where I cover some brutal truths I learned in my almost 9 years of publishing books on Amazon KDP. I would watch this video even if I'm more advanced because I cover several things that I definitely wouldn't want to risk not knowing.